Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the selection tool in Audacity to cut out mistakes or silences from your audio recordings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch Audacity on your computer. Once the application opens and you're ready to work on your audio file, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see the selection tool represented by a normal I-beam cursor icon. Click on it to activate this tool. The selection tool is your primary method for choosing specific portions of your audio track that you want to edit or remove, making it essential for cleaning up recordings. Now, to remove a mistake or unwanted silence, simply click and drag your cursor over the section you want to delete. As you drag, you'll notice the selected area becomes highlighted, making it easy to see exactly what portion of your audio you're working with. This visual feedback helps ensure you're selecting the right segment before making any changes. With your unwanted section now highlighted, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Cut. This action will completely remove the selected portion from your audio track, effectively deleting that mistake or silence and seamlessly joining the remaining audio together. This is the quickest way to clean up errors in your recording. Alternatively, if you don't want to completely remove a section but rather silence it instead, there's another useful option. Click and drag over the part you want to silence, highlighting it just like before. Then look at the top toolbar for the Silence Audio Selection tool and click on it. This method keeps the timing of your audio intact by replacing the selected portion with silence rather than cutting it out entirely. This is particularly helpful when you need to maintain the original length of your recording or when you want to preserve the spacing between different audio segments. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively use the selection tool in Audacity to either cut out mistakes completely or silence specific sections of your audio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.